Shall I compare thee to a summer's day? Thou art more lovely and more temperate. Rough winds do shake the darling buds of May, and summer's lease hath all too short a date. Sometime too hot the eye of heaven shines, and often is his gold complexion dimmed, and every fair from fair sometime declines, by chance or nature's changing course untrimmed. But thy eternal summer shall not fade, nor lose possession of that fair thou owest, nor shall death brag thou wanderest in his shade, when in eternal lines in time thou growest. So long as men can breathe or eyes can see, so long lives this, and this gives life to thee. I'm weary of the euphemisms. Friends keep saying you've passed, like it was a test. Meanwhile, most of you went up in flames, and we're all breathing in your molecules on a daily basis. Our conversations and your smiles exist only in my synapses. That time of year thou mayest in me behold, when yellow leaves, or none or few, do hang upon those boughs, which shake against the cold. Bare ruined choirs, where late the sweet birds sang. In me thou seest the twilight of such day, as after sunset fadeth in the west, which by and by black night doth take away, death's second self, that seals up all in rest. In me thou seest the glowing of such fire, that on the ashes of his youth doth lie, as the deathbed whereon it must expire, consumed with that which it was nourished by. This thou perceivest, which makes thy love more strong, to love that well which thou must leave ere long. You were always punctual. You were always punctual. Let's face it, you're never going to get here.